people, welcome to another video with this new 2021 BMW S1000RR M Sport. So in today's video I am going to try to attempt to PPF this, but not just that, we have got a few modifications what we need to do with this new bike. First of all, we have got these are the crash protectors, and these will actually go right here. So in case the bike actually falls, hopefully it won't scratch it. It will just hit these crash protectors on there, and it'll save me a lot of damage on the bike. Second is the radiator. Right here we have the radiator exposed. So what we need to do is we need some protection for the radiator, which we have right here. This is the rad guard, which actually fits straight onto the radiator, so it won't actually get any stones or whatnot. What else we need to do is we need to PPF all these white parts right here, and that is what we're going to do in today's video. Not only that, we are going to change the number plate bracket to a tail tidy one, so I'll show you later in the video all of the products we've got. But if you didn't see the previous video of when we went to collect this motorbike, make sure you check it out. Also do follow me on one of the social medias above, and make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. So let's attempt to PPF this 2021 BMW S1000RR M Sport. The PPF tube, all of the PPF panels are in here. You also get a manual, and it actually tells you what panels the PPF need to go on and what numbers they are, and they are all number coordinated as well. So let's just do a quick unboxing of the PPF and show you what it's like. The one I've gone for is called Second Skin PPF RNG. As you can tell, it's a transparent version, stone chip protection. That's what she said. So inside we've got the spudger. Here is the PPF, they're all number coordinated. This is where some water goes in, liquid. And if you want to, you can add the Second Skin PPF sticker by RNG. that's a wrap. PPF wrap. So I have done my first attempt at PPF wrapping this 2021 motorbike. I'll tell you the panels we wrapped if you didn't see it. We've done this one right here, these pieces right here. We've also done this piece. It's clear PPF as well, by the way. This piece right here, this piece right here. Same on the other side. We've also done this right here, all the way and all the way here. Of course, we've got a little bit of bubbles here and there, but for my first attempt, wow. We've also done the back panels right here and on the other side, right there, underneath, all the way on the other side. Mainly it's just the front, of course. You've got to protect the front. But what do you think, people? My first attempt to put PPF on a motorbike. Here are the crash bungs that I already put on. As you saw earlier, the holes are already preloaded, so they just screw straight in. That's one side and that's the other. Also, just to mention, they are asymmetrical. As you can see here, this one on the left is placed a little bit higher and the one on the right is placed a little bit lower. What we're going to do is do this tail tidy, and you would have to take this seat cover off first. Put this key in right here, and you have 3 torque screws, and also, if I didn't mention, here is the factory USB slot right there. But yep, let's unscrew these torque screws.
It's an indicator.
Once you've taken these 3 torque screws off, there's 2 more under the bracket, as you can see that. This is my first time I've figured it out. Once we took the torque screws off the 3, to get the indicators out of the bracket, you have to take the panels off at the back and get to this switch right here, which we need to disconnect, which is the indicators, 1 on each side. So where are the panels? They're the panels right there. So that's good, because now they are off, they can easily be PPF'd. Let me just show you how to take the indicator connector off. So as you can see right there, just push that out. This should pop out right there. German engineering for you. So you've got to flip this around, and as you can see at the bottom, just make sure this is up, and it should pop back out, as you can see right there. So that is how to take the indicator off this S1000RR, if you didn't know. Right here we've got the bracket, the new bracket that needs to go on. This is the tidy one. So it clips into here like this, and as you can see at the bottom, it's got to put the torque screws back in, but all the wires need to feed through this hole right here. So what we need to do, make sure you've got the right indicators. We have to put this into here, feed this wire through. This is for the left indicator. And then all you got to do is turn it. So that's one. Feed that wire through there. Now you got to do the same with the right hand side. Okay, so we've got both of the indicators on. Now we need to feed the wires through back into the body. So as you can see, there's 2 holes right here. Make sure you get them right. The left goes into the left and the right goes into the right. So as you can see right there, what we'll do is we'll plug this one into here. This is for the brake light plug. So all the wires are fed underneath onto the bracket. So now you can put that right there and put the torque screws back in to secure it. The indicator clips are back in. We've got 2 torque screws right here that need tightening up. The only that's a clip that will go back in. We've tightened the indicators back into place, hid the wires around, and as you can see, it's all back in. Bit of a nightmare. I didn't think it'll take this long, but if anyone wants to know how to change a number plate bracket into a plate tidy one, that's how you do it. and here is done. So the reason why we've gone for this tail tidy is you don't need to modify anything. They use the original LED indicators and also the number plate light. Everything is original, just the tail tidy is different, so that's why I actually chose this one. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. It was a bit of a nightmare to do, but if you're wanting to do a tail tidy on your motorbike, make sure you take all these panels off, the torque screws at the top, torque screws at the bottom, take the bottom panels off here, take the indicator lights off there, feed all the wires back out, change the tail tidy, and then feed it all back in, and make sure you put the right indicator slot into the right one. And it's easy enough taking that off as well. But yep, that is it. That's the tail tidy done. So that's a wrap from there. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see any other videos with this bike, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again for another video.